Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and in today's video we're here to look at this bad boy, the Realme 7, and I'm going to tell you why this is a phone that you can't miss out on this year. Okay, so let's jump into the box straight away. First things first, how cool is the colour of the box? You're not going to miss that on the shelf, are you? Yeah. Anyway, it's not going to be a lengthy unboxing today, mainly for the fact that the video is around why I think you should pick it up. So yeah. It says, hey, welcome to Realme family. That's a nice little touch on there. And inside here, which I thought was a nice bonus, is you do get a case. So it's kind of like it's a see-through, slightly kind of darkened case. I think that looks really, really nice. And it actually feels good quality as well. You get your normal books or information. Let's be honest, do we ever read that stuff? Not really. And here is the star of the show. We'll stick there really quickly as well. And then here is another, that's actually one of the reasons why I'm recommending this phone. You actually get a dart charger in the box, which is a 30-watt fast charger. I will go into that later in the video, but this comes inside the box. If you're in the UK, you will get a UK one. You're in Europe, you'll get a European one, etc, etc. So don't worry about that. And you'll also get your USB Type-C cable. So yeah, happy days. Okay, so let's have a look at the star of the show. Stick the case off to the side. Let's have a quick look at this one, shall we? Dun dun dun. You ready for this? It is a beautiful looking phone. Mind any kind of fingerprints you might see on it. I'll give it a quick wipe in a second. And look at that. Yeah, how's that look? I do like the way that it kind of refracts the light off there. So instead of it just kind of like just bouncing off there, it's got a nice little kind of detail here. So you can see you kind of match them up. But most of the time, it's like that, and I think it looks absolutely funky. Nice little Realme logo at the bottom. And there's that quad camera system, which I'm going to come to in a moment or two, because that is one of the big reasons for me why you should definitely be picking this phone up. But what I'll do is I'll have a look around the phone really quickly as well. So on the bottom of the actual phone, you've got the Type-C for charging, the speakerphone as well, and let's not forget a 3.5mm, yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Come on, you don't see those much today, do you? Down the right side of the device, you've got nothing apart from the power button and the fingerprint scanner. And just to show you really quickly, let's see if I can get that to work. Boom. You see that? That is so. Boom. Yeah, it is super, super speedy. Boom. I really wish that most other companies would do that. On the top of it, absolutely nothing. It's all nice and clean. And then down at the left side, it's got the SIM tray and the volume up and down. And again, on the back of there, that quad camera system, which will come to just a moment or two. And on the front of it, it's a 6.5-inch full HD plus display. And it's a 90Hz ultra smooth display as well. Anyway, now we're going to get into my personally 5 reasons, or my 5 top reasons, why you should definitely be checking out the Realme 5 as your next gaming phone. Okay, so let's jump into them. Reason number 1 for me personally, it's got to be the price. The fact that you're getting one of the most powerful mid-range gaming phones starting at £179 blows my mind. What you can get now for your money, what you used to be able to get, it is absolutely bonkers. Bonkers in a good way. But yeah, number 1, it's got to be the price, because £179. Let's kick it off into number 2. Jumping on the part of where I said it's the most powerful mid-range gaming phone. That's because of the chipset inside it. It is actually rocking the world's first MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor. What does that mean to me, Sam? I hear you asking. That just means that any kind of game you're going to chuck at it, it's going to perform. So whether it's something as simple as Farmville, to maybe Fortnite, to maybe Call of Duty, you name it, this chipset is going to rock it. They may be thinking, I've never heard of this MediaTek. Who are they? They're one of the world's biggest manufacturers of chipsets worldwide, and you're going to hear a hell of a lot more about them, starting with this in the Realme 7. Yes, the Helio G95, the most powerful mid-range gaming processor that's on the market right today. Okay, let's jump into number 3 straight away. Number 3 is the fact that, yeah, you're thinking, okay, I want a game on it, but what's the battery life going to be like? Has it got a big battery, a small battery? This has got 5,000, that's it, 5,000 milliamp hours inside, What does that mean? It means you can game for longer, it's just going to carry on going and going and going. It actually provides more than 1 month, yes, 1 month of standby time. So if you're not gaming, you're just kind of leaving it around, a month standby time is absolutely insane. But let's say you are gaming and you've run your battery down a little bit. How can I charge it? How quick is the charging? Well, in there as well is a 30-watt dart charge. Now, as we know, some phones coming out for £1,000 come with no charger. Inside this box is a 30-watt dart charger. So you plug it in, job done, and away you go, charging in seconds. Okay, on to reason number 4, and it's quite perfect for this one. It's actually to do with the camera system. It is a quad camera system on the back of this bad boy. We're starting out with a 48 megapixel, yes, you heard me, 48 megapixel sensor. That's the primary camera. We're then going to swing it across to get an ultra wide camera. It's 119 degrees field of view. You're thinking, Sam, what does that mean? It means it's very wide, so you're going to get a lot more in your picture. You've also got a black and white sensor on there as well. The black and white's for kind of taking those more kind of arty type pictures. And last but not least, we've got a macro lens on there as well. So let's see when you get close to that flower or something like that. Boom. Get nice and close, macro it, job done, and away she goes. But let's not forget, jumping onto that as well, we've also got that 16 megapixel on the front of it, the 16 megapixel selfie as well. Yeah, fan-dabby-tabulous. 5 cameras, 179 quid. Alright, and let's go into the 5th and the final reason. This kind of took me by surprise. You get a 3-year warranty. Yeah, that's correct. Not a 1, not a 2, a 3-year warranty. Which I was like, what? I've not heard of many manufacturers offering a 3-year warranty just out of the box, especially at this kind of price point. This is part of their 3+2, which means you get a 3-year warranty period and a 2-month free replacement policy. That is 1 year longer and 1 month longer than any other mainstream smartphone brand. Again, £179 starting price. The MediaTek Helio G95 processor. 5,000 mAh battery with a 30-watt super fast dart charge. 4 cameras, yeah, 4 cameras on the back. Don't forget about that selfie one. And then the warranty. Yeah. They are my 5 reasons, and I think they are 5 fabulous reasons why you should really consider Realme 7 as your next phone. If you have any questions with regards to the Realme 7 or anything else, you know what to do by now. Hit me up in a comment down below. I'll be answering all your questions with regards to this and anything else. You can also hit me up on Twitter. I'm at samjpullen, Facebook, Snapchat, you name it. All links are down below for you. But anyway, people, I want to say thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, then go on, smash the like button. It is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. It's free. Go on, it's free. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully hear me. You might see me, who knows, in my next video. Cheers, everyone.